Katie Fee, and Katie Fee takes it all the way to the end line. Oh, Kiana Jacobson unable to get there on time, but great first offensive presence by Tormenta. Nemtsov quickly recovered by Jefferson, who plays it to Chick, finding Kiana Jacobson. Jacobson's going to put a pass in. No, it was a shot. Almost there. Rebound for McGovern, takes a shot. Chick again, Nemtsov with the header there. That's another corner. That's another corner for Tormenta. Couple of rebounds. Finds Kaylee Chambers. Chambers to Wirtz. Wirtz is going to hit it. Katie Fee with the shot. Oh, so close for Fee, who finds. Brendo finds McGovern, and McGovern has that ball stolen. Who finds number 28 alone. He's going to take the first time shot, and Cora Brendel. Finds a header there. Ooh, what a save by Brendel. Great read. And they take the shot from afar, and Cora Brendel safe and sound. The Bantams take another shot, and Cora Brendel once again getting her third save of the Chambers one-on-one. Chambers, great save by the goalkeeper. Chambers doing a little bit too much there, unable to finish. Now the Bantams on a 2-on-1. Brendel with a great appearance there. To Nemtsov. Nemtsov's going to take the shot. Rebound. Kiana Jacobson with the goal. There it is. The equalizer for Tormenta. DJ Religion. Chick. To cross in. Finds Tess Wirtz with the pass. Wirtz. Oh, what a save. Wirtz, great pass. Finding the ball. Finds Fee. Fee, could you get the cross in? She does. Finds Nemtsov. Nemtsov again. Oh. Find Hosey. Find Hosey. She's going to find Tess Wirtz with a little taquito. Hosey now with the opportunity. What a save. Winner here. 72 minutes to get the lead. Chick finds Gemza. And there it is. That's the handball, and that'll be called. That's a penalty. Looking to get the lead. Here. 3, 2, 1. Golazo there by Nemtsov to the top goal. Someone. Gemza now. Take the shot. Take the shot. Take the shot. Thank you for listening.
At the end of the day, our job is to promote these girls and push them to the next level, and whatever level that may be, whether that's in the professional ranks or beyond. Cora Brendel with a great save there. Hanging on to a 2-1 lead. Ball over the top.
Tess Wirtz, get into that. 1-on-1. Oh, what a read. But Taylor Godin with the strike. Oh.
What a save.
Oh, on the box. Wirtz. Oh, that'll be that's another penalty for Tormenta.
Yeah, great call there. I think it looked like the SC United Bantams defender went through the back of Tess.
3, 2, 1. Oh, save there. Taylor Godin. Oh. Goal. Own goal, but I'll take it. DJ Religion. That's the third goal for Tormenta here at Tormenta Stadium. Tess Wirtz is going to take the shot. That's the game. Tormenta gets that goal.
And that's the match. Your final score.
Gets the win. Tormenta.